就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month we're teaching a phrase called sometimes, because sometimes this happens, sometimes that happens. 有时候到底怎么说呢？
有赏识。
有赏识，你知道吗？有时候奶奶啊、外婆啊也会都寄东西来，然后有时候收到就很开心这样子。Sometimes grandma or grandpa would send things to me, and let's put you in that scenario, all right? 我奶奶有的时候会寄东西给我。
怎么那么好啊？
都是吃的，
我可以帮你吃一点，
可以分享是不是？
对，好来，牙婆。
牙婆
有赏识，
有赏识，
會記東西本愛，
會記東西本愛。
牙婆有賞識，會記東西本愛。
现在我都很懂这些单字本愛就是要给我嘛，对不对？分给我的那种。然后东西就是东西嘛 ，that's something。And then 奶奶就是阿婆嘛，
阿婆。
对，
那我的奶奶牙婆。
牙婆 that means my grandma. So my grandma sometimes would send me things. 那她最近寄了什么呢？
給佢牙婆嘅。
給佢牙婆嘅。
寄嚟麥嘅。
寄嚟麥嘅，給佢牙婆嘅，就是那他最近這樣子嗎？
牙婆嘅，
牙婆嘅，that means recently，牙婆嘅最近，然後寄了什麼嘛，對不對？
寄嚟麥嘅，
寄嚟麥嘅。
我在想啊，中秋節快到，一定是寄吃的月餅，
沒錯，而且是那種大月餅啊，對啊，
無棗式的月餅，
對，要分很多次才能吃完啊，對，會分給大家來吃。
哎呀，下次你要切，你告訴我，我就去幫你吃啦。
I love my grandma sending me a whole box of great mooncakes, all right？ 一盒中秋節的月餅怎麼說？
一盒百葉班嘅月餅。
百葉班嘅月餅，月餅月餅 ，That's the mooncake. And then 百葉班就是
中秋節，
沒錯，就8月半的意思嘛 ，right? Halfway through the month of August for the lunar calendar, it's exactly Moonfest, okay? Also known as Mid-Autumn Festival. Very good. Now, and let's review some of these terms such as mailing something, 寄東西，
寄東西，
寄東西 ，and then recently 最近，
壓卜嘅，
壓卜嘅 ，and then there's the mooncake 月餅。
月餅，
月餅 and of course we're celebrating Mid-Autumn Festival 中秋節
百葉班，
百葉班 and don't forget it's all about the phrase sometimes 也就是有時候咯
有賞識
有賞識對其實奶奶常常送啊不是有時候而已很棒Alright that does it for today let's talk about Hakka
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.